If you've hit your pull-up plateau, meaning you've been stuck at the same rep range for a few weeks or even a few months, then you want to, for this next week, rather than training rep pull-ups, you want to train the 10-10-10 strategy. Now, what is the 10-10-10 strategy? I'll show you. So, for the next week, rather than pulling up in reps, trying to beat your PR, what you're going to want to do on your pull training days, only for this next week, is instead pull up to the top of the bar, chin over the bar, and keep your body in like a hollow hold position, and then just sit here for 10 seconds. So 1, and then head just below the bar, another 10 seconds. Now the reason we do this is because it keeps the lats engaged almost the entire time. Well, not almost, it does. Which promotes serious lat muscle growth. And then dead hang for 10 seconds. Now this, keeping the lats engaged the whole time, rather than allowing them to rest at the bottom of a traditional rep, means you're going to seriously promote that muscle growth. And then you jump off the bar, and that counts as a set in my eyes. So what you want to do is, rest for a few minutes and go again. And if you just kind of do that up until the point where you can't complete a full 10 seconds with the chin above the bar, then you can say you've completed your pull-ups for the day. And honestly, if you train this just for 1 week, you'll come back the next week, and when you go to do your reps again, your normal reps, you may just find that you beat your PR by at least a couple of reps. Integrating this into your training routine is a game changer in terms of developing that lat strength and building your muscles. And don't forget, building up your pull-up PR means that muscle-ups will become easier, and you'll be able to do explosive pull-ups much easier. Because the muscles needed will be that much bigger. Now, another tip will be creatine. This is the only supplement that I ever recommend, because with intense training, having that extra boost in recovery is a game changer for me personally. I've noticed massive improvements in my ability to train having been on creatine. So My Protein sponsor me, I'll just shout you out for free. Should be getting paid for that. And if you want to master your pull-ups, like pull-up variations, as well as all other calisthenics skills and continue getting into great shape, then the first link in our description will be our calisthenics school community. We have everything from community, courses, cookbooks, nutrition guides, and weekly calls with me. Oh, I'm out of breath. So, with that being said, hopefully you can beat your pull-up plateau this week with this strategy that I've just shown you. If you have any questions, put them below. Join the school community and keep training hard. I'll see you soon.